In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw on Notion. Notion doesn't have a built-in drawing tool, but with a simple workaround, you can still sketch, brainstorm visually, and annotate right inside your pages. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to connect an online whiteboard to Notion so you can draw directly from there, without leaving your workspace. First, open the Notion page where you want to add your drawing space. Look toward the upper right corner of your screen for the Create icon. Depending on your setup, this might look like a plus sign or a button that lets you add new content or a new page. Go ahead and click that, and make sure you're on the page where you want your drawing area to live. You can use an existing page, or quickly create a new one dedicated to sketches, diagrams, or brainstorming. Next, we're going to use an external online whiteboard. Open a new browser tab and go to the online board website shown on screen. This board is where you'll actually do your drawing. Spend a moment here getting familiar with the interface if you like. Most whiteboards let you choose between a pen tool, shapes, text, and erasers, so you can treat it like a digital sketchpad. Once your board is open, look for the Share option, usually found at the top or along the edge of the screen. Click on Share. A panel or pop-up should appear that gives you a link to this whiteboard. This link is what will let Notion display the board directly inside your page. Now, copy the link provided in the Share settings. Be sure you're copying the correct board link, not an invitation that requires sign-in, if you want it to load smoothly in Notion. Just highlight the link and copy it to your clipboard. Head back to your Notion page. Click on an empty line where you want the drawing area to appear, and type a / followed by the word embed. From the menu that appears, choose the embed block. This tells Notion you want to display external content. In the field that appears, paste the whiteboard link you copied earlier. After pasting, click on the option that says Embed Link. Notion will load the board inside your page and you'll see an interactive drawing area you can resize and use. From now on, you can draw on that embedded board and your updates will appear right there in Notion, giving you a simple, effective way to sketch inside your notes and documents.